February, we had registered one theft case wherein some unknown culprit had damaged the rear window of one vehicle while it was parked in the city and stolen 2,50,000 from the vehicle. So after that, we had registered the crime and we were in search of the accused. So while conducting the investigation, we had arrested one accused, namely P.Ramesh. So on the same day, there is on 27th or 28th of April, and on the same day, while he was taken for the medical examination at GMC, after conducting the medical examination, he was escaped from the lawful custody of the police. So in this connection, we had given the complaint at Agashi police station, and the offence was registered at the Agasham police station. And the day he escaped from the custody, we were in search of the accused. We had put in all the efforts to search this accused, and we had used all the machinery like source of intelligence, technical assistance to search the accused. So last 2 days, I had sent one team consisting of PSI Ganesh Matondkar at Tamil Nadu, where we had traced the location of the accused. So when our team reached to the Tamil Nadu, they were observing the location of the accused. So while observing the location to technical assistance, it came to know that the location of the accused is tracing at Belgaum side. So our team started to keep watch on the location of the accused. So here I also formed another team consisting of PSI Swapnil, Purushottam Naik and others to keep the watch. So while keeping the watch on the location, we came to know that the accused is moving towards Goa. So I alerted my team and we laid a trap in the city area and all over Goa. So when we came to know that the accused is moving towards the Vasco, we managed to detain him at Chikalim. So after detaining him, we brought him at the police station and lodged him in lockup. So now we had taken 5 days remand of the accused, and we will conduct our further investigation in this case. And once the investigation is completed, we will hand out over the accused to the Agasam police station for further investigation. He was escaped from the lawful custody. We have speed up the investigation because we want to nab him at anyhow we wanted to nab him. So we have speed up the investigation and we use all the sources and machineries like technical assistance to nab him, and finally we succeeded in nabbing the accused, and I congratulate both the teams for taking efforts in nabbing the accused. Persons on the CCTV footage. So we are having a doubt that one more person is there with him, but he is not disclosing till now. So during our investigation, we will try to find out whether any more culprits are there with him.
Sir, त्याचं नाव
One more thing I have to inform you that when we arrested him first time, he gave his false name. So yesterday, while conducting the investigation and inquiry with him, we came to know that his name is Ravi Subbarao through his identity cards. His name is real name is Ravi Subbarao and not P.Ramesh.